first time, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Don't mind my face, you check my last video, you know what I'm passing through. So guys, today's video is all about, you see the picture. Today's video is all about me unboxing my new ring light. Although it's not my first ring light, I bought first ring light before, but won't ban me. So let's forget about that. So this new ring light is not really expensive. It's not really expensive. So let me show you guys. So I got it day before yesterday, so I just have time today because I've been busy at work. I don't have time. I'm even filming this video at night. Like, this is 10:02 at night because I'm always busy. You know my work. You can check my other video, okay? So guys, this is the tripod and this is the light. This is the ring light. So guys, let's unbox. So this is the light. I don't really know the height. This is the light. So it comes with this. I think this is the phone holder. They already fixed this one. Okay. That's it. So, this is how it's going to look like. So this for the phone. The first one I bought then, it was small size, but this one, when they bring it for me, this thing has removed, and it's not rolling. So it's not rolling, the first one, but this one is rolling, and it's still light. The light is I'll plug it so that you guys can see it. So I've plugged it. Oh, it has, okay, we can reduce the light and we can on the light. You can see. I think I like it. I love it. So like this, and this is the first light. This is the second one, white. This is the third one, gold. Like I love it. I love this color. It's just 3 lights. It's 3, like, light is 3. Oh, let me spoil the video. So this one is for the phone holder, and I think I love it. To be honest, I love it. This is the white one. This is the, I think, pure white, gold. Normal white, pure white, gold. So that's about the light, and it comes inside this carton. So we put it inside it. So guys, let's unbox the tripod. So this is the tripod. And so when they bring this thing, I was like, what is inside? So see, this is the height. So show you the final part of it. So, oh, like I love it. It's very long. I love it. I love it. I love it. What is it? I'm on my bed, so I can't show it. So let's reduce it. Okay. So let us fix this on it. I really love these ring lights, to be honest. I like it's tall. Although I don't write, they don't write the sense like the height. They don't write it there. They don't write it there, but it's long. I bought it 25 dinar because yeah, they spent 25 dinar like let's say $20, either $20 or $23. Anyhow, like in that rate. But I bought it 25 dinar. So this is it, and it's still more taller. I'm going to show you the full length. So let's on it. So I want to show you the first ring light I first bought. Although it comes inside this carton, it's small. You can see, you can compare this carton with this one. Like, you see, this one is very small, and this is big. Okay, this is the one I just bought. So this one I bought the other time. What is it called? The phone holder, before they bring it, is not good. The phone holder is not good. So you can see, I just patch it here, but this is supposed to not be inside this thing. If I lose it, you can see, because since when I bought it, I just fixed this down. I don't even know what to do. You can see, and it's very small. It's fucking small. And I bought it 23 dinar. I bought this new one 25. You can see the difference. Just 2,000. And they give me this small thing. So this is what comes with it. This is the phone holder that comes with it. This is the phone holder that comes with it. So this phone holder, this place, this is how they bring it. Like, this is how they bring it. And that day when I collect it, I don't even check it. I did not check it at all because I was busy at work. I just collect it and just come back and continue my work until I'm done with my work. And this one's supposed to be here. Like, this one is supposed to be here. You can see there's no fitting. I've tried. Okay, I think it's fitting, but okay, yeah, it's fitting, but the problem is that, you see, this one is supposed to stay here. I even tried to use knife to do this place. It doesn't enter, you can see. So this one, I'm only using this one with the ring light. So this one now, this is just useless. So that's the reason why I bought another ring light. Because if this one is good, see, it's very small, I won't have bought another ring light. So, and this one is not good. What now the essence of buying new ring lights without this? So guys, and this is it. You can see this is how they bring it. And I even called the seller that what you sent to me is not good though. The person blocked me. And I give the person, like, I talk to the person's head. So I just Just forget about it. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification so that when I drop another video, you'll be notified that this girl has dropped another video. Please, I thank you for your support, and please keep supporting me. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.